everybody is just so kind and everybody's so cheerful. I just never worked with a company where everybody seems to get along and they're all happy to be working for Cardinal.
If you have any plumbing, electrical work, or heating and air conditioning, we can't recommend Cardinal Plumbing and Heating high enough. They're conscientious, they're willing to work with you and help get your problems taken care of. A person comes out, gives us an estimate, and the estimate's spot on. When the work is finished, it's what we were quoted. So that says a lot right there.
And one time we had a list of a few other things when the electrician came out. So he's like, well, just wait a minute, and he gave us an estimate to include the extra add-ons, which was great. I mean, there were no surprises. And after we're done, they send us a receipt, and then they also send us pictures of what they did. So you know what has happened.
All the technicians that have been out here, they are so helpful in answering questions. Because like I said, technology and I don't get along well, and they just help me, show me how to program the thermostat or things like that. So it's very helpful.
Yeah.
Very
they
helpful.
always call us down to see what they did, and then ask if we have questions.
We can't recommend you enough. Cardinal is the place to go for any type of work that you need done around your home. You won't be disappointed. The prices are fair, and it's like, hey, you get what you pay for, and I'm thankful for being able to pay you guys for what you do, because there's no way I could.